Alright, this is gonna be a quick video. It's just about how to get your full screen IPTv, or if you want to watch full screen on your if you have like VSS Play or any other provider except from Netflix or YouTube. The trick is pretty easy. You go into entertainment and you access your YouTube channel. Don't mind all the fingerprints. I'm gonna clean the screen. When you're in there, you tap on your user and you tap on the manage your Google account. This way you will be forwarded to the Google page, and on the Google page here you got the Google apps, but as you can see you only see YouTube and Google Photos. But if you press your account again and then you press the manage account, we come to this page, and if you now press the apps, you will get them all. You got your account, Google search, maps, play, yeah, basically everything you have in Google. So you want to go on the Google search. So now you're inside the Google browser, inside the YouTube app. If I go to just search for NRK, and that's the national TV station in Norway. They got this web page where you can watch all these shows. But if you go into the browser and you want to watch the show there, you will only get it in small screen. You won't get the full size. If I go in here, I find this one, okay, and I push play. Now I can go in and full screen, and this works on everything, like any TV provider who has an internet or an app where you can't watch it full screen in the browser. You can do it this way. And the same thing, I can go back here to the Google search. If you have like IPTv, you can just navigate to that address, putting it in, and you can watch whatever. I'm running Plex. That's a media server I have at home. I can also access that one from here. I go to plex.tv, and here you see what I search for in Google. I get it in there. I go in there and go into my account, and I can see whatever I have on my deck back home. So I can actually stream movies from my computer, which is acting like a server home, or I can go into the IPTv and watch them all in full screen. Because if you use your web browser, and I'll go into the same one, NRK, and I go into the TV, which I was in, and here you see I got the same show, and pressing play on this one. It's only full screen in the browser. Again, that's how you do it. You go into your entertainment, you go to YouTube, go to your profile, manage your Google account, click on your profile, manage account, then go on the Google apps and Google search, and now you can access whatever you want and watch whatever you feel like. As I mentioned, if you have IPTv set up or subscriptions with providers like similar to Netflix, or just TV stations, if you want to watch football games, you can do it in full screen if you do it this way. Alright, that's it.